Imagine standing amidst a lush forest, the gentle rustle of leaves creating a symphony of tranquility. This is nature's healing orchestra, where each note plays a role in reclaiming our peace. Green spaces are more than just visually pleasing. They offer a sanctuary for our minds and bodies. Studies reveal that spending time in these spaces reduces stress, lowers blood pressure, and boosts mood by releasing endorphins. The color green itself calms the mind, promoting relaxation and a sense of safety. In cities, transformative urban parks provide oases of calm, proving that even amid concrete jungles, nature finds a way to heal. As we nurture these spaces, they, in turn, nurture us, offering a balm for the pressures of modern life. Venture into green space and let nature's healing symphony restore your inner peace.